Hello winners and welcome to this weekly Forex forecast for EURUSD, USD, Pound Yen, Gold, USDCAD and US oil. We're going to go through entries and targets and stop losses and risks that is related to your currency pair. Another thing is I want to give a thank you for everyone who is commenting and liking on my YouTube videos. So for every 20 comments, I'm going to give the opportunity to one person per 20 comments, 1 hour with me to go through their trading so we can see if we can help you out and becoming a successful Forex trader. So, trading Forex is risky, not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Whatever has happened in the past doesn't need to happen in the future, and don't risk more than 1% per trade. Don't lose more than 5% a month. Until then, let's hit the charts. I really hope you liked that intro. Here we have EURUSD in front of us. So just a brief introduction. This is one of my live accounts on Traders Y. We have this price here, this red line here, as 11.22 as a sell price with a target of the green area of 108.48. For buyers, we have the area between 10.38 and 109.85 up to 12.59. So this is the sell, this is the buy, and this is the buy area. This is the sell area, and this is their targets. As you can see for last week here, we came down to the buy area and boom, went up into profit. Awesome. A bit higher, but with my system, the plan is this, and then up to this price here of 10.60. Don't go away, sail away, okay? So going into now June, we have weekly pivots and monthly pivots. Monthly pivots is I will go through them tomorrow. So I'm just going to show you weekly pivots today, and then tomorrow we'll go through all the monthlies, okay? Sounds awesome. Then we have plans. What do you want to see? Let's start with sellers. Sellers wants to have price in this area here. This area here. Then they want price to come, let's say back up again. They want a double top. Let's say that. They want a double top. Then they want a new low. Then they want the pullback to this area, and then they can sell it. Okay? What's their target? Down to 108.48. Simple, straightforward, no fuzz, nothing else. Okay? So in this area here, and then down to 108.48. Don't sell close to 10.38 because that's where buyers starts coming in. Okay? So as you can see here, I have a bounce here. That's not coincidental. Okay, why is that not coincidental? Because let me take that away. I want to take it away. Okay, I can't. Anyways, that's where buyers would start as a plan A. Okay, this area here, that's where they will start buying in at 10.38. If they don't get it, they will then take 109.85. So both is support. One is better than the other, but there was still as you can see here, just normal new breakout, new lower low, new low, and then continue higher. Awesome. So for buyers, they're like, oh, awesome, price can come down here. Let's take it. And then they will take the price up to 59. On the way up, you have pullbacks, you can enter like here. It didn't go straight up, so you have plenty of opportunities before you come all the way up. Okay, that's EURUSD. Another thing is I want to give a thank you for everyone who is commenting and liking on my YouTube videos. So for every 20 comments, I'm going to give the opportunity to one person per 20 comments, 1 hour with me to go through their trading so we can see if we can help you out and becoming a successful Forex trader. So for British pound dollar, I have a different view. It's kind of difficult here because it seems to not have broken this resistance here. It's still holding it, but is it bearish or is it bullish? I would say until, as long as this holds above this previous higher low, it is still, in my eyes, bullish. Until it breaks out, and it failed miserably. Here, well, it's a take profit zone. So what was last week's trade plan? Here, buy, take profit, and it goes down again. Awesome. That's like, yes, the market is really operating in a pace that I want to see. Okay? Awesome. So for this week and next month, what are we going to do? Like, what are we doing? So I just need to say that's a buy area. So between 23 and 22.56, that's the buy area. Do you want price to come back down here? Yeah, maybe not so much. But if it does, you're ready and willing and able. But the best part is if you can break above 23.71 and then catch the pullback to this very strong resistance and then catch it up to 24.85. That's your buyers. Then for sellers, you're like, but what are we going to do? What are we going to do? What are you going to do? We want to take it down. Well, I want you to close below 23 and then catch a pullback maybe and then continue lower, because at the moment, as it's still trying to scratch its head on breaking above 23.50 area, you don't want to be there trying to force it down. Just let it ride, right? Are you selling in this area here? Maybe not. But are you selling in this area? Yeah, you are. And when it's ranging, what are you doing? You're waiting for trend to come with you. So you're done. Waiting is the best thing right now as a seller. So this is your plan, and 21.41 seems to be the deal. Okay, back down to double bottom-ish. Okay, that's the plan for pound dollar. Another thing is I want to give a thank you for everyone who's commenting and liking on my YouTube videos. So for every 20 comments, I'm going to give the opportunity to one person per 20 comments, 1 hour with me to go through their trading, so we can see if we can help you out and becoming a successful Forex trader. So then we go to pound, was it pound yen as well? Here we have a different scenario. Okay, we have a break of this resistance that was last week. We have a bullish week from bullish entry to bullish take profit. We have a bullish break. Then I would think this one is going up to 134.59. That's your price. That's your plan. You just want to wait it to come down again. You're ready, willing, and able. Okay? Though trading Forex is risky and not appropriate for everyone. And also, what I'm saying today is just my personal opinion on what I would like to do in a given situation. But it's up to you to do the decision. If you are a seller, you're like, uh-oh. You're thinking you might want price to come up here before you can sell it again, so you can sell this tops. Sounds okay for me. But if you really want to sell this week, you really need to find a new low here. Pull back. Then sell it down. So it's total up to one down to 30.73. Okay? That's up to you. If that's what you want to do, but you need for it to reverse, don't force it, don't chase it, let it come to you. Yeah, there's no problem from that. So, awesome. Straightforward. Then we have gold. Gold. Okay. Gold is definitely bullish. Why is it bullish? Well, what's this? Then we have a close above this candle here. We have a pullback. And I think I said this area here of 1725 is the last point of bearishness, and I stand by my words. Here, somebody asked me if you could sell. Okay, I don't know, but it's last time. So it's not really very positive for you. But if you really want to and really need to, okay, fine. Then I would say have a pullback down to 1720. Back down to this turning support here now, up to 1756. You're done. I'm not going to give you any sells, but if you want to sell it, you need it to come down below 1720. It's a long way, and you need to wait for 1720. Have a pullback, then you can take it down to 1690. But until then, right now, as of today, it's bullish. Okay? And we are reaching higher. So are we going back up to 1756? Yeah, or that maybe that, or even higher. All right. So what is the risks now? I want to talk about risks as well. So we may have a trade war. We may have retaliation from China to Australia. We have Trump taking away the funding of WHO. We have coronavirus still. So is it now turning sour? Yeah, maybe. I still believe we are more risk now than previous weeks. And is it just me thinking it will be risky? Maybe not. Maybe it won't. Maybe it will go up next week on EURUSD, PRICELESS, and pound yen and gold, and then next week fall down again. I think that's my plan, but still, are we a bit early? How is the market really going to incorporate that? Just trade your plan, trade your direction, trade your buys, and then let the market do the rest. There's no point of chasing it and thinking it might be something. Just have your opinion, trade your opinion. That's that. And then the market might agree with you, because even though if it's risky and you feel like it's risky, it might not be it by the market. US oil. US oil, US oil, US oil. USDCAD maybe first then. Yeah. What do we have here? I really wanted this to happen. That's really the only plan here. There is no buy. Okay, there is no buy. If there was supposed to be a buy here, why do you have a new low? So you need to really close up here for me to even consider buying this, because this is a brand new low, fresh from the bakery. Okay, so I just want to see that. The other question is, did it use this price here of 138.30 before going lower? Maybe it did. And then the plan is down to 13.595 for this week at least. Okay, that's that. That is risk on. That is opposite of this being risky, but might be just be down and then going up again. So you really need to be taking profit when you should be taking profit, trading your plan. Don't bend it because you think this is so bullish now, it's going to go to heaven. That might not be the case. All right. Awesome. Trade your plan, take your profit when you have it, leave the rest to the others. We're going into summer now, so market conditions might no longer trend. Trending might not be the best thing this week. Okay, so I'm going to use, I think I'm going to use US oil, Brent, both of them, just to show you different scenarios. We now have a new higher high. Yes, it's no longer bearish. We have a breakout. We have a pullback down to 36. We have a target up to 39. That's that. I can do nothing else than that. That's my plan. Okay. Why do you do that, Evan? Well, we have a higher high. This is not bearish anymore, and we are uptrend, 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 uptrend. Okay, I can't sell in uptrend. You might want to see break below here, then you can start thinking of price coming down, price coming up, price coming down. Fine. Do you? But right now, technical analysis says it's bullish. If you have what do you call it? Sell positions, might not be a good idea right now to have them. Just saying. Okay. This is Brent, US North Sea oil. We have US oil. Let's take those away. Then we have here, just go in a bit. Same thing, new high, pullback down to 32.84, or at least on my broker. I don't know which price you have. I have 33.96 on the close of this week. Take it up $4 per barrel, or even higher. Okay, maybe 37 actually. And then we're going back up to 41 eventually, even though. So I think that's a cycle level around 40. So the higher you go now, but yeah, still fine, still okay, still good. I hope you have learned something in this video. I have given you some targets, I've given you some entries, I'm giving you some stop losses, might not so much, but stop loss should be 75 pips on all the pairs I have mentioned, or more. You should not have more than 1% per trade in risk, and you should also not lose more than 5% a month. We have had amazing weeks now, we have amazing months, we're still profits, we're still making profits, and tomorrow evening we're going to go live and we're going to go through every pair you want me to go through. So be there at 7:30 Berlin, Paris time, 1:30 p.m. New York time, or is it, and then Asia time, what's that? I don't know. 1 a.m., 2 a.m., something. So, yeah. Please join tomorrow's live. I will answer any questions you might have. So take care, and never risk money you can never afford to lose.